In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI for meetings. We'll start inside your Google Meet, open your meeting the way you normally would so you can access the invite details. This is important because Otter needs the exact meeting URL to join and create a live transcript. If you're inviting others, share that same meeting link with them so everyone can get in smoothly. In Google Meet, look for the meeting details panel and use the built-in copy link option. Using the official copy button is safer than grabbing the browser URL because it ensures you're sending the correct active link for this session. Go ahead and click copy link now so the meeting URL is saved to your clipboard. That single action sets you up to bring Otter in without any extra back and forth. Next, switch over to otter.ai in your browser. On the home page, look to the top right for a small video camera icon. That icon opens the feature that lets Otter join live meetings. Click it to bring up the field where you can enter a meeting link. Paste the Google Meet URL you just copied into that field. Take a second to make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after the link and confirm it's the same link you shared with participants. Clean links help Otter connect reliably. When everything looks good, press enter. If your keyboard's enter key doesn't trigger it, use return or the on-screen confirmation. Either way, you're telling Otter to join the call. Otter will now use that URL to enter your meeting as a participant and start transcribing in real time. You may notice a new attendee representing the Otter assistant. That's expected. Before you get into the discussion, make sure everyone's comfortable being transcribed. It's a best practice to get consent. Once connected, focus on the conversation while Otter captures what's said and turns it into a searchable transcript. You'll see the notes build in your Otter workspace, which makes it easy to follow along and revisit key points if you miss anything. After the meeting ends, the transcript remains available so you can highlight decisions, pull action items, and share notes with teammates who couldn't attend. A few tips to keep things smooth. Join a minute early so Otter is in the room before you start. Speak one at a time for clearer attribution, and use a quiet space or a decent microphone to improve accuracy. If the meeting link changes, just repeat the process. Copy the new link, paste it into Otter, and press enter. That's it. Open your Google Meet, share and copy the link, go to Otter, click the video icon, paste the URL, and press enter for clean, reliable notes.